Good morning everyone, this is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 26th of July. Yen gains on news of the fiscal package size. The Japanese yen came under renewed buying interest during the Asian morning today following reports concerning the size of the government's planned fiscal stimulus package. Even though the reports suggested that the government will double the size of its package to 6 trillion yen from 3 trillion indicated in an earlier draft, the news may have disappointed investors who expected a bigger set of measures. Indeed, market chatter prior to these announcements suggested that many expected a 10 to 20 trillion yen package. Moving forward, yen traders will likely shift their attention onto the Bank of Japan meeting on Friday. Considering that much of the speculation surrounding Bank of Japan easing at this meeting has already been priced in, evident by the 11th until the 21st of July rally in dollar-yen, we believe that the yen could extend today's gains at least for a while. The currency's direction will depend on the quantity and quality of any stimulus measures the Bank of Japan decides to introduce. Given the already elevated easing expectations, Bank of Japan officials would need to deliver an aggressive set of measures in order for the yen to weaken materially in our view. As for today's highlights, during the European morning we have a very light calendar with no major events or indicators due to be released. The only noteworthy data we get during the day are from the US. The preliminary market services PMI for July is expected to have risen, which could indicate that the US economy remained largely unaffected by Britain's referendum outcome. New home sales for June are expected to have increased, while the S&P Case-Shiller House Price Index for May is expected to show an acceleration in home price inflation. Following the positive surprise in existing home sales as well as the improvement in both housing starts and building permits for June, encouraging new home sales could add to evidence that the US housing market remains on a solid footing. The Conference Board Consumer Confidence Index for July is also due out and the forecast is for a decline. Net, given that most of these indicators are expected to show improvement, the dollar could gain at these releases. We have no speakers scheduled for today. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.